Call 911, the life-saving number. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing a very important phrase that you might hear or need to use in English-speaking countries. Call 911. This simple phrase holds a lot of significance, and understanding it can be crucial. 911 is the emergency telephone number in the United States, Canada, and some other countries. When someone says, "Call 911," they are urgently asking someone to dial this number to get emergency assistance. This could be for reasons such as a medical emergency, a fire, a crime in progress, or any other situation where immediate help is needed. 1. Medical emergencies. If someone is seriously injured or appears to be having a heart attack, someone might shout, "Call 911." 2. Accidents. In cases of car accidents or situations where people are in danger, this phrase can be used. 3. Safety threats. If there's an intruder or someone posing a threat, you might hear or need to say this phrase. Remember, timing is crucial in emergencies. When you hear, "Call 911," it implies that the situation is dire and immediate action is needed. When you hear the phrase, "Call 911," here's what you should do. 1. Stay calm. Even though it's an emergency, staying calm helps you think clearly. 2. Dial 911. On your phone, dial the numbers 911. 3. Speak clearly. When connected, explain the situation as clearly as possible to the operator. They might ask for the location, nature of the emergency, and other relevant details. It's vital to understand that "Call 911" is not a casual or joking phrase. Misusing this number can lead to legal consequences and can prevent genuine emergencies from getting timely help. Only use this number when there is a real emergency. Understanding the importance and proper use of the phrase, "Call 911," can make a significant difference in an emergency. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember to always be alert and safe, and know that when in genuine distress in the US, Canada, and some other places, 911 is the number to call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.